Is your Wix website loading slower than a dial-up modem? We've all been there, visitors clicking away because your Wix site just takes too long to load. But don't worry, we're about to unlock the secrets to making your Wix website lightning fast, so your visitors stay engaged and your SEO shines. First up, let's tackle those image culprits. Large image files are notorious for slowing down websites. Click on any image on your Wix site and select Settings. Here, you'll find optimization options. Choose compressed or web optimized for your images for even better results. Consider resizing your images before uploading them to Wix. Aim for dimensions that fit your design without being excessively large. Next, we'll leverage the power of caching. Wix automatically caches your site, but we can give it a little nudge. Head to your site's dashboard, look for the marketing and SEO section, and then dive into SEO within the SEO settings. You'll often find options related to site speed or performance enhancements that can clear and refresh your site's cached data regularly. Checking this area can contribute to a snappier experience. Now, let's declutter by minimizing unnecessary plugins or apps. Go to your Wix editor and find that Apps section. Review the apps you have installed. Are you actively using all of them? Each app adds code to your site, and too many can bog it down. Uninstall any apps you no longer need. Think of it as spring cleaning for your website. Finally, while Wix handles much of the backend, for ultimate speed, consider how your content is delivered. Wix utilizes a content delivery network, or CDN, to distribute your site's files across various servers globally. This significantly speeds up loading times for visitors no matter where they are. While you can't directly control the CDN settings in Wix, ensuring your Wix plan is up to date often means you have access to their latest performance optimizations. Pro tip: keeping your Wix plan active and updated is a passive way to benefit from CDN improvements. By implementing these simple yet powerful strategies, you're optimizing images, managing caching, decluttering apps, and understanding the benefits of Wix's built-in CDN, you'll see a noticeable difference in your Wix website speed. A faster site means happier visitors and better search engine rankings. Go ahead and give your Wix website the speed boost it deserves.